everybody, and welcome back. So I am very curious with this brow tint. So it is a semi-permanent brows at home for up to 3 days. We're gonna have brows for days all weekend. So let's try this out. Step one, start with a clean brow, which my brows are very clean. I just got out of the shower and cleansed. I'm good to go. Apply to brow to create desired shape. Leave to develop up to 2 hours. So I'm going to hopefully be able to do my makeup while this is working, because I'll work around my brows. Then we're going to peel off for gorgeous brows up to 3 days. So it's almost like, I feel like I'm dyeing my brows, kind of. I know it's not literally, but anyway, here is the tube. When you open it up, here is the little bristle brush, or I should say big. Now we're going to apply, I'm going to start in kind of the arch area and go down. I figured, hey, why not get my brows done for days? What a great idea. If this works, would be nice. I might need like a little touch up here and there, you know, but we shall see. I've never used anything like this. So this is new. I need to reshape that down here. That was not too bad to shape. I need to go get my eyebrows threaded. You guys thread or wax your brows? I know lighting in here is horrible. I'm sorry, guys. Maybe some natural light. Do you get them waxed or threaded? I got mine waxed one time, and I ended up with bald spots. I was like, whoa, man. And the last time I get my brows threaded. So, I mean waxed. Oh my gosh. I get mine threaded. I got mine waxed one time. And they don't shape them very well, but it could be just where I went. I went to the Benefit Brow Bar in Ulta. And it'll be the last time. That was a long time ago. I only paid $5.99, and they do a fabulous job. Really, really good. So I have new complaints. It's right by my house. I'll have to go pay them a visit this weekend, maybe. Pretty sure they can do it with just a little bit of color to them. It's not like they're going to be like pasted down or anything. I want them to match. Oops. I'm going to tweak on these, like, really? I mean, it's going to peel off, but I just want to make sure I have the right shape, you know? Okay. Put a little bit more on the left, because it just looks uneven. And if I'm going to wear these for 3 days, I want them to look even. This goes on pretty good, but could you imagine thinking this is your daily brow? My daughter was like, and I was like, whoa, man, what happened? So yeah, further directions. I need to read more. I need to read more what I'm buying, how it works. I probably read this and completely forgot. I literally think I'm losing my memory. I've already lost my mind. There's no question on that. So my memory's next. Okay. I'm thinking clean it up a little bit. That didn't help. I'm gonna leave it alone. This is it, people. This is it, okay? I'm gonna time it for 2 hours. I will come back on here. We will peel my brows off and see how this comes out. I will see you soon. Well, hello everybody and welcome back. So I have done the rest of my makeup and my eyebrow is literally falling off. See right here? So it has been 2 hours in about 3 minutes, but I'm going to go ahead and remove it because I'm done with my makeup and I like to finish my brows. By the way, oh, there goes my timer. So it's been 2 hours now. Woohoo! I am loving this full coverage foundation and this concealer. I wore it all day yesterday. It's so smooth, it feels like your skin. I know the Sunday Riley foundation is like a big deal right now and I have it. I'm actually returning it today. I don't like it at all. It shows every fine line on my face and it does not cover very well. I know it is buildable and I've tried it every which way possible. I can't stand it. I put it on and I am so unhappy with my makeup all day. This concealer is phenomenal. I just want to put that out, and I love these lipsticks. When I place another order, I will definitely get more colors. These are amazing and they are not drying, but they stay on so well. Okay, so let's do this. This one's already coming off, so like this is a first. This is definitely a first. Well, that one came off. Let's see how easy it is to get off. It should just kind of roll, I hope. Yep. I brought in the some brow products just to touch up. So I wasn't sure how it would come out. Oh, I'm wearing the Blood Sugar palette, by the way. I love that palette. I'm putting those Pro Revolution palettes in my giveaway box. They're horrible. I was very unhappy with them. I am actually quite surprised at the brows. Wow, they came out actually really good. Let's brush them a little bit. I don't even think I need to add anything to them. This one looks a little misshaped, so I'm just going to go in a little bit with the Toupee brow definer and define them, but I think they look pretty doggone good. And that actually worked pretty good, so I am happy with that. I'm using the Morphe 160. It's supposed to be an eyeliner, but oh well. I'm just going to fill it in just a little bit here and there. I like that brow thingamajigger. I actually like that. I mean, you could do your brows and be done with them, I think, for like 3 days. I'll give you an update on how long it really lasts. Not bad at all. This one came out a little different, so I'm going to try and just shape it a little better. But I am impressed. I believe it was $7 or $8. It's about as good as it's got to get. Still, I'm going to use my concealer to shape it just a little bit more, but I think we're good to go. I'm very bold and bright-eyed today from the Jeffree Star palette. I absolutely love. That is my brow tutorial. Let me know what you think. I think they turned out absolutely wonderful. I really didn't need to touch them up, but yeah, I will let you know later on how long they really last. And if I had to touch them up or if they came off with my makeup remover. So I hope you guys have a great Friday, and I will see you soon. Make sure you are subscribed. Hit that little notification bell. Give me a thumbs up. And follow me on Instagram, Susan Young 1974. I do have that blood sugar palette giveaway open still. I have not posted the date of closing. I might, and you guys let me know what you think. Make it a Mother's Day giveaway. What do you think about that? I think that would be a phenomenal day to get that news. So you give me your comment below. Let me know what you think about my brow tutorial and about a Mother's Day giveaway on that. If I can get my hands on one more palette of the blood sugar, I'm going to see if Morphe has them. Would you want that in a third giveaway? Let me know your thoughts. I'm loving my Pro Revolution Liquid Lips foundation. Go online and buy that before you buy that Sunday Riley. They're making such a big deal out of. So much better, and it feels like your skin. Super soft. Oh, I mixed in the orange with it today. Kind of played around. It was a little frightening, but it blended really well. So have a great day, and I will see you soon. Bye.